Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can schedule messages in the Telegram app when a user is online. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and be sure to write your comments after watching the video. Let's get started. This method can help you, for example, in situations when you write to a person, but you see that they don't reply to you on Telegram. For example, they don't read your message. This means that the person can see your messages, read them only from the satisfaction bar at the top, but he doesn't go into the correspondence to read and reply to your messages. And when he is online, you will see that this person has logged in and seen your correspondence. So, first of all, you open Telegram. Then you go into the conversation. And then, you write a message. And then at the end of the line, you press the arrow and hold it down. And you need to find the Send When Online function. You click on it. And now, as you can see, we have a new page like this. And this message, it will be sent to the person when they go to Telegram. That is, he will not see it in his notification panel. Only when he goes to Telegram, he will receive this message. And when you write it, you just close it, exit the conversation, and wait for the person to see your message. That's the way you can schedule a message in the Telegram app and see when the person sees it while they're online. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Also subscribe to our channel. And until new meetings.